Good morning, all of you. My name is Chand Praveen and I am from Jalna. I recently passed out my Bachelor of Pharmacy in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, Raigad. Today's subject is technical, and today's topic name is the urinary system. So we are start. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is responsible for the eliminating the waste product and excessive substance from the blood streams and regulating body fluid balance and maintaining the homeostasis. Homeostasis means the balance of bodily functions. It involves the various organ and structures work together, filtrated blood, urine, and excrete from the body. The key structures of the urinary system. First of all is the kidney. The kidney are the primary organ of the urinary system, and it are responsible for the filtrating blood to the remove waste, excess substance, and regulative various function. Then next one is location. Location is the kidney are located in the back abdomen of the cavity on the either side of the spine and just below with the rib cage. Size and shape kidney. The each kidney is about size of first and has been shaped, and the structure. Each kidney is consist of the outer layer of is called as the renal cortex, and the inner region is known as the renal medulla. The medulla contain constant cone-shaped structures is called as the renal pyramids. Then functional unit. Functional unit is a nephron. The basic functional unit of the kidney is the nephron, and each kidney is contain about the 1 million nephron, and each nephron is consist of renal capsules. Renal capsules including the glomerulus and Bowman's capsules, where are the blood is initially filtrated. Renal tubules. Renal tubules is the proximal convoluted tubule, loop of the Henle distal convoluted tubule, where is the further processing of the filtrated takes place, and such reabsorption of the secretion. The next one is a ureters. The ureter is a muscular tubes carry out the urine of the kidneys and to the bladder. Each kidney has a ureter that are transport through the peristalsis valve like concentrations of smooth in the ureter valves, and the ureters either the bladder and the angle that helps to prevent the from the flowing backward tips and preventing infection. Then next one is a bladder. The bladder is a hollow muscular organ that stores urine, and it is ready to be excreted. The structure of the bladder. It is located in the pelvis behind the pubic bone, and the bladder has a muscular wall. They allow the expand and contract. Then capacity of the bladder. In average of adult, the bladder can hold about 400 to 600 milliliter of urine. Then sphincters. The sphincters are the two sphincters, internal sphincters and the external sphincters. The internal sphincters are the involuntary control, and external sphincters have a involuntary controls, which are regulate to the release of the urine during the urination. Urethra. The next one is the urethra. Urethra is the connect and the bladder of the outside of the body and allowing the urine to be the excreted. The first one is the male urethra, and then female urethra. There are two types of urethra. Male urethra is longer, about 18 centimeter, is passed through the penis, and it is serves as a conduct from the both urine and semen. Then female urethra. The female urethra is shorter, about 4 centimeter. It's open into external genitalia. It only carries urine. Then function of the urine system. The kidneys is filter waste product and excess substance from the blood. This process of the glomerulus and network of the tiny capillaries inside the nephron, where the blood is filtrated into the structure, is called as a Bowman capsule. The filtrated contain water, ions, and such as sodium, potassium, chloride, and glucose, amino acid, and waste product, etc., like urea. Then reabsorption. The reabsorption is the filtrate moves through the renal tubules. It's also known as the proximal convoluted tubule and loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule. The most of the water is glucose, amino acids, and the necessary are the reboarded back into the blood streams. Then reabsorption in the proximal convoluted tubule. About 65% of the filtrated water electrolyte like sodium, potassium, and restored, etc. Reabsorption in the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is the concentrate of urine, reabsorbed water, and salt. Then reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubule. The additional fine urine of the water electrolyte valence occurs here, regulated by the hormone like aldosterone for sodium, aldi diuretic hormone ADH for water. Then secretion. Some substance such as excess hydrogen ions to regulate the pH and potassium, and the certain drugs toxins secreted by the blood into the renal tubules, and this helps to the maintain electrolyte balance, acid base balance, and eliminate harmful substance. Then excretion. After the filtration, the reabsorption of the secretion, the remaining substance is called as urine, which consists of the water and waste product, urea, like creatinine, uric acid, and excessive ions, etc. Then urine travels in the kidney throughout the ureter, the bladder, where is the stored until ready to be the expelled from the body. When the bladder is the reaches level of the fullness, the receptor signals is brain, triggering the desire urinate. Then next one, regulatory function of the urine system. First of all is the fluid and electrolyte balance. Then it also functioning of the acid base balance. Then blood pressure and regulation. It is also main function of the kidney. And then erythrophoresis and detoxification, etc. These are the function of the kidney. Then disorder of urine system, urinary tract infection, then kidney stones, etc. Thank you for watching for my video.